All right, so what do we got going on here? The surface area is 2 times the area of the base plus perimeter of the base times the height. We just have to figure out what side we want the base as. So let's make the bottom here the base. If that's the base, how do we do this? The surface area equals 2 times 32, because that's the area of 4 times 8, plus the perimeter of the base. What's the perimeter of the base? 24, because it's 4 plus 8 plus 4 plus 8, which is 24. What's the height of the prism? 5. So this is 64 plus 120, which is 184. On the next shape, okay, your base is your triangle here. Okay, your base is your triangle, this thing right here. Okay, so if that's your base, you take 2 times the area of the base. How do you find the area of a triangle? 1/2 times 8 times 6. 1/2 the base times the height, or 1/2 of 8, or 8 times 6 divided by 2. Either way. Plus the perimeter of the base. What's the perimeter of the base? 24. And the height? Don't say 6, because it's not 6. It's 10. The height is the distance between the two bases. Here's a base, here's a base. The distance between is the height. Okay, so this is 48. This is 240. This is 288. Pyramid. What type of a base do I have on it? Square. It's a square base pyramid. So to find the area of the base, what do? 6 squared plus 1/2. What's the perimeter of my base? 6 times 4, which is 24. What's my slant height? 10. So this is 36 plus 120, or 156. Here, we have to find the area of the base and take it plus 1/2 the perimeter of the base times the slant height. To find the area of a triangular base, it's 1/2 the base times the height. 1/2 of 8 times 6. Plus 1/2 the perimeter of the base. 18, because it's 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 times 3 is 18. And the slant height is 9. So 24 plus 81 is 105. Okay. What's the area of a circle? What's the formula for the area of a circle? Pi r squared. What's the perimeter of a circle, or the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. So it's 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh, which, if you look at the cylinder formula over here, that's what it is. 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. So once you have that, here's your r, here's your h, just plug them in. 2 pi 3 squared plus 2 pi 3 times 5. This is 9 times 2 is 18 pi plus 15 times 2 is 30 pi. So it's 48 pi. Somebody with a calculator take 48 times pi. Should be like 150-ish. 150.8. Okay, now a cone. Pi r squared plus pi rl. Pi, the radius is 6. You square it, plus pi times 6 times 12. So it's 36 pi plus 72 pi, which is 108 pi. And 108 times pi is 300. Okay, that's what we'll be doing today on the practice quiz. A bunch of you have not handed in your worksheets from last time yet, so you need to get those done and turned in. Okay, so that's what's going on today.